back bonding with C as a donor atom, and I given here two compounds CHCl3 CHF3, which is more acidic. So after donating H plus ion, which is more stable anion or which can stabilize anion, that is more acidic. For example, after donating H plus ion, I will get here C minus and chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. And here after donating H, C minus, F, F and F. But here first case, which is CHCl3, after getting anion, it can stabilize it by back bonding because chlorine have vacant d orbital, so this anion can stabilize it by back bonding. But here back bonding is not possible because fluorine doesn't have any vacant orbitals. So it is more stable anion compared to CF3 minus. So this is more acidic. It can stabilize easily anion. So forward reaction occurs. So it is more acidic character. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And similar concept, back bonding, same with carbon only. I'm doing with respect to carbon. Sorry, you can write this is I think so better. This is back bonding with halogens. Back bonding with halogen compounds with halogen halogens. So Cl, Br, I, okay, as a donor atoms. You can include fluorine also. So here very important things is two, I think here three compounds will be there. That's I'm going to discuss. Boron, fluorine, and boron, chlorine. Which is more Lewis acid? What is the Lewis acid means? Which is more Lewis acidic character? That is a question. Lewis acid means which one have more electron deficiency and that should be accept electrons. Got it?
Okay.
That's already given. Lewis acid means lone pair acceptor and lone pair donor is base. Things I mentioned.
Yeah.
Last class I think so I mentioned that is.
Yes, sir.
Now which is more Lewis acid means which one have more electron deficiency. This looking all the boron 6 electrons. Got it?
Mm, so the one with the most electron deficiency
Is
will,
more Lewis acid.
so it might be this BF3.
This is iodine actually.
But it does not have vacant orbitals like that for back bonding, fluorine. So maybe the one with most vacant orbitals might be iodine,
Why?
but
Okay.
but, but I think fluorine is more electron deficient in that way.
Which is first one or
First one.
yeah, I will discuss. Here boron is more electron deficiency, only 3 electrons. Sorry,
Yes,
6
sir.
electrons. But fluorine have lone pair of electrons.
Yes.
Fluorine can donate easily electrons to boron.
Okay.
Here also they have 3 electrons, 3 lone pair of electrons. Here
Yes,
also
sir.
back bonding.
So in all of the halogens, they have three
3.
lone pairs.
Yes. But which is the more effective back bonding? That's the thing here.
More effective will be maybe with iodine. I'm
No,
not
no, no.
sure because it
Here you
has.
can see I wrote. We discussed
Hmm.
already valence bond theory. 2p overlapping is strong overlapping because same energy are I given for good one good example also.
Oh yeah.
Same age people can make friendship easily like that.
Okay. So only like orbitals will
Yes,
overlap.
yes, very good. This is 3p and 2p.
Hmm. Okay.
This is 4p and
So
2p, which is the good
so it's
overlapping.
so it's opposite of what I said. So it will
Yes,
be worst.
exactly.
Worst is for iodine, and best
Yes,
is for fluorine.
correct. So this is the best back bonding. When best
Ah,
back bonding you
okay.
have that one, I think so you can find out here total 4 bonds is there looking.
But sir, how can we do back bonding if there are no? So we can do back bonding without vacant orbitals also.
No, with vacant orbital only we can do.
So boron
Boron, I'm
has
writing here
vacant.
1s2,
Yeah.
2s2, 2p1. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Then we can think here one electron excited to p orbital.
Mm.
So yes and p. Got it? And one
Yes.
s orbital here and two electrons in p orbital. So still one orbital is empty or not?
Oh, yeah, that is.
Here three fluorine.
Well,
So but still one empty orbital is there. It can accept
okay.
lone
So,
pair of electrons from fluorine to vacant orbital.
okay.
So here maximum back bonding in the case of first case. Reason 2p 2p orbital is there. These are same energy, they can overlap easily.
Okay.
So maximum overlapping means you can think that one here 8 means 4 bonds will be there, then automatically 8 electrons chance is more. This is one bond
Okay.
and this is another bond and these are remaining 2 bonds. Total 4 bonds looking. So that looking 8 electrons. Got it?
Okay.
8 electrons means stable only. Which one have less than 8 electrons? Those are electron deficient compounds.
Yes.
Here also looking everything, but efficiency overlapping may not be efficiency. So that's why they may
Okay.
not be show more interest to show back bonding. So but looking 6 electrons only.
Okay.
So which is present 8 electron character is more in the case of BF3 and 6 electrons character more in the case of BI3. So this is more electron deficiency BI3 compared to BF3. Therefore, Lewis acidic character order is this is the thing. Lewis acidic character order.